Alright, assalamu alaikum. So I'm going to be making cornbread, and we all know that African Americans love cornbread. So what I have here is all of my, well, most of my dry ingredients. We have a cup of flour, a cup of cornmeal, a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to just put that in. On the cornmeal, and we use Aunt Jemima, some use Jiffy, but we like Aunt Jemima. So on the actual bag that you can find this recipe, but we always used, it says 4 tablespoons, but we always used 5 tablespoons of sugar. So that's all of the dry ingredients. 1 egg. And then you have all of your liquid ingredients, which is 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and I have a secret ingredient that I've always used that I learned from one of my aunties, and it's mayonnaise. It makes it way more moist, and it's not going to be a secret after this video, but that's okay. I'm sharing it with you all. And I usually, honestly, I don't measure it, but I kind of just know now how much to put in here. So my hands are kind of dirty, but I don't want to get up. And you just beat all the, you put all the ingredients in here together. You beat them up for a few moments. So I'm going to beat a little bit. And you just kind of get, the more you make it, the more you become accustomed to how it should look. It should kind of be a little bit liquidy, but not runny. I may need a little bit more flour, so I'll add a little bit more flour. And then I'm going to put this bad boy inside of the baking pan. I'll show it to y'all afterwards. So give me just a moment. Okay, I'm back to put the batter inside of the pan. And I forgot to say one thing. When you, I forgot one ingredient rather. It is 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Please don't forget your baking powder, because if you do, it will be super flat and no fluff. It won't rise, and that's just terrible. So I'm glad I remember it. And so this usually is a little bit darker than this because of the cornmeal, but since I put mayonnaise in it, it gets a little bit whiter. Before I started, I did put the oven on 425, and it's tasty. Put the oven on 425. That's how it looks. I'm about to put it in the oven. So you're gonna preheat at 425, put it in the oven for about 11 to 15 minutes. I usually stick a toothpick or the end of an incense stick. That's just how we did it growing up. Right in the middle after about 15 minutes, and if it comes out dry, then you know it's done. If it comes out moist or some comes out wet on it, then you know that it's a little bit too wet inside. But I like it to be kind of wet, just so that it's not completely dried out. But usually I don't have that problem because